Evening, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning. Good morning, everyone. So, in last two lectures, we understood how to solve the examples by harmonic analysis. Okay, how to find Fourier series expansion. So, first we'll revise and we'll start with the next few examples by harmonic analysis. So, see, in case of harmonic analysis, whatever examples we solved till the function is given explicitly. Okay, whereas here the function is not given, the values of table are given. Okay, then we understood how we can convert the integral into summation. Okay, then we started
Sir,
with the
screen is not visible.
okay,
Screen not visible, sir.
okay. Hope now it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so
Yes, sir.
Fourier series expansion with the arbitrary period 2L. Suppose f of x is a periodic function of period 2L defined in x between 0 to 2L and the functional values are given. We solved one example, so you might have understood what is given in the example. So f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation like this. Okay. Then this when n equal to 1, the term that we got, that is a1 cos of pi x divided by L plus b1 sin of pi x divided by L. This is known as first harmonic or fundamental harmonic. When n equal to 2, it is known as second harmonic. Okay, this is known as constant term. So magnitude of first harmonic is root of a1 square plus b1 square. Magnitude of second harmonic is root of a2 square plus b2 square. Okay, then we obtain the formulas. A naught is equal to 2 by m summation of yi. If you remember this much, that is also more than sufficient. Then an equal to 2 by m summation of yi cos of n pi xi divided by L. Bn equal to 2 by m. So everywhere the term outside the summation is 2 by m. 2 by m summation of yi sin of n pi x divided by L. Okay. Then we obtain the in the same way, whatever formulas we written, the three formulas, the formula for a naught, okay, then formula for an and bn. Same formulas we can write when the period is 2 pi. Here period is 2l, same formula will be there. So whenever period is 2 pi, the formulas will be like this: a naught equal to 2 by n summation of yi. Okay, what will be the formula of n? 2 by m summation of yi cos of, yes, cos of nxi. L equal to pi, so pi will cancel. So cos of nxi. Here bn equal to 2 by m summation of yi sin nxi, like this. Okay. Next is Fourier series expansion. Acha, we have written it here. Period with the 2 pi. These are the three formulas that we revised. Okay. Then when half range expansion is there, half range expansion, then f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n cos of n pi x divided by L. So 2 by m summation of yi, 2 by m summation of yi cos n pi xi divided by L. Whereas in case of sine, bn is equal to 2 by m summation of y sin n pi xi divided by L. Same these two formulas, half range cosine and half range sine expansion, they are right now written for the period 2L. We can write them for the period 2 pi also. Okay. Then we started with this example, and hope you might have solved this example, and these are the values. Okay, we'll go through one more example. So next example, right up the values, right, using the values of using values of x and y given in following table, obtain Fourier series. to
Excuse me, sir.
haha.
So, few students are not able to join meeting.
Just a minute. Okay, let me continue. Using values of x and y given in following table, obtain Fourier series up to first harmonic. Okay, also obtain constant term magnitude of first harmonic. First harmonic or fundamental harmonic. Given table is required. So x is given and corresponding value of y is given. Okay, so x is 0 degree, 30, 60, 90, 120, remaining part of table. $300, 60. Corresponding values of y are 298. Write with me. 298, 356, 373, 337, 254, 155, 80, 51, 60, 93, 147, 221. What will be next value?
Sir, the second last value will be
298.
298. Value corresponding to 0 and 360 degree will be same. 298. Very good. Right solution. Okay, Srada. Right. Period of function is 2 pi. Okay. Then number of divisions. Yes, count the number of divisions. 0 to 31, 30 to 62, like this. Or better, the value corresponding to 0 and 298
12,
is
sir.
same. Good.
11.
Good. So leave the 360. Now count 1, okay, 2, 3, 4,
12.
5, 6,
11.
7, 8,
12.
9, 10, 11, 12.
12.
12 are there. Usually it is even number. Okay, number of divisions is 12. Then another Fourier series expansion is Fourier series expansion is f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation an cos of nx plus bn sin of nx. Okay, done. To find expansion up to first harmonic. From where this is decided? Given in example. to find expansion up to first harmonic. So our aim is to find A0, A1 and B1. Okay, so right, A0. This will be sufficient. 2 by m summation of yi. So 2 by 12. So to find A0 summation of yi is required. So now we have to find A1. Na? So substitute n equal to 1. So 1 upon 6 yi cos of xi. Similarly, b1 equal to 1 upon 6 1 upon 6 summation of yi sin xi. Yi cos xi, yi sin xi. Okay. So our aim is to find summation of yi cos xi, summation of yi sin xi. Okay. Let me change the page. Table is required. Xi, yi cos xi, yi sin xi. Okay, 0, 30, 60. Next, 90, 120, 150. Right, next. $270, 300, 330. 360 will be not in all, huh? Since the value of y corresponding to 0 and 360 degree is same, na? So should not be repeated. And since m is 12, the number of xi should be 12 only. It should not be 13. It should not be 11. Okay, write the y. 298, 356, 337, 254, 155, 80, 51, 60, 93, 147, 221. Okay. Now yi means 298 into cos of 0. Don't have to write the answer directly. What is cos of 0? 1. So it is 298. Okay. Now use calculation and find the remaining values. 356 into cos of 30. 356 into cos of 30 degree. See what the answer is.
308.
08.30.
308.
8.
308. Why 308?
308.305.
Acha.
308.3050.
308.3.
30.
Up to one digit is sufficient. Numbers are big, na? Therefore sufficient. 373 into cos of 60. See what you are getting it.
186.5.
186.
186. Okay, very good. 337 into cos of 90. 0. Then 254 into cos of 120. How much is this?
Negative of 127.
127. Plus or minus?
Minus.
Minus.
So sign is also very important. Right? Negative sign.
0.5
A 0.5. Very good.
186.5 वो ऊपर वाला
Next वाला 186. 186.5. Okay. 155 into cos of 150 degree.
Minus
Minus
134.2.
134.23.
135.
134.23.
23. So just 2. Okay. Then 80 into cos of 180.
Minus 80.
Minus 80, no doubt. Then 51 into cos of 210. Everyone should check.
44.1.
44.
Minus
44.1. Negative 44.1.
44. This is 44.1. Okay. Then 60 into cos of 240 degree.
Minus
Minus 30.
30.
Yes.
Okay. Then 93 into cos of 270.
0.
0.
0. Okay. Then 147 into cos of 300 degree.
73.5.
30.
73.5. And last value 221 into cos of 330 degree.
191.39.
191.39.
39. Sorry, say 4.
39.
Okay. Now see what is required. For this example, summation of yi is required. So this value is required. Summation of whatever the numbers we obtain, that is required. And in the same way, you find yi sin xi. Please do it yourself and find the 3 summations. Find all the 3 summations. Try to find all the 3 summations.
So we will start waiting outside.
Acha, just 1 minute. Please complete the table and try to do it yourself. Don't wait for the answer. Better if you will do it yourself. And then find the summation. I have written one of them. Cross check it.
Six four 1.3.
Next. 64
1.3.
1.3. Good. Next one. Check this value also. Find yi sin xi and then find its summation. I have answer like this 727.2. Cross check your answer, see whether it is like this. So if small difference is there is no any problem. Okay, small difference is okay. It depends upon how you are using calci and which calci you are using. Usually we get small difference, but I don't think it is a big problem. Fast, complete it. Are you getting 727.2?
Sir, wait.
Sir, 727.5.
727.5, no problem. Okay. Tell me what are the values. First value corresponding to 0.
0.
0.
Next.
178.
1 only one. Only one. 1.
78.
178.
178. Next.
323.02.
323.03.
2.
Okay. Small difference is okay. Next.
337.
337.
337. Okay. Next.
219.9.
219.
Yes, sir.
21.9. Okay. Next.
77.5.
77.5. Good. Next.
0.
0. Next.
Minus 25.5.
Next.
Minus 51.96.
Next.
Minus 93.
Next.
Minus 127.3.
127.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Minus 110.5.
Minus 110.
0.
Okay. Maybe small difference, but you write all the values and the summations are like this. Below this, write down A naught equal to. Already we have written the formula of A naught on previous page. 1 upon 6 summation of yi. So 1 upon 6, 2425. You see how much is it? 404.17. Okay, then write down A1 equal to 1 upon 6 summation of yi cos of xi. Here it is. Okay, so 1 upon 6, 641.3. So 107.04. Next, B1. 1 upon 6 summation of yi sin of xi. Here it is. So 1 upon 6, 727.2. How much is this?
121.1.
121.2. Okay, 21. Thus, Fourier series expansion is f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus a1 cos x plus b1 sin x. Okay, so 40.17 divided by 2 plus 107.04 cos x plus 121.21 sin x and so on, dot dot dot. So f of x is 202.08. Dot dot dot. So we obtain expansion up to first harmonic. If it is required, we can find expansion up to second harmonic, third harmonic, and so on. Okay. Then below this written constant term. What is constant term of the expansion? 202.08. It is not a naught, huh? It is a naught by 2. So when we write f of x, see what the constant term. It is 202.08. Okay. Then magnitude of first harmonic. A1 square plus B1 square. That is, A1 is known to us 107.04 whole square plus B1 121.21 whole square. Use calcium, tell me what the answer is. (107) square plus 121 square and then square root. What is it?
161.70.
161.70.
161.70.
161.
0.70.
0.57 RS.
Just small difference is okay. Hope this is clear. We'll go through next example, Rata. Understood now what we have done? See, the function was not given explicitly. Functional values were given, okay? Or I will say practical values were given. Experimental values were given. Right? Values of x and y were given. Na? And from there we obtained the Fourier series expansion. But for that, what is required? The function should be periodic. Right? Next example, Rata. Let me change the page. Third example. थोड़ा सा फास्ट सॉल्व करना है, अभी हमें समझ में आया क्या करना है exactly. Right. The following table gives the following table gives variation of periodic current. Over a period. Table is required. T small t, time, seconds. A, current, ampere. Okay, so 0, T by 6, capital T, capital T by 3, capital T by 2, T by 3, 5 T by 6, T. So T is the one period. You might have understood. Capital T is the period. Okay, and then it is divided in small parts. Difference between any two of them is T by 6. Hope everyone understood it. Okay, and corresponding current is 1.98 ampere, 1.30 ampere, what will be the value of current corresponding to capital T?
1.98.
1.98.
1.98, very good. Below this, write down. Show by practical harmonic analysis. Show by practical harmonic analysis that there is direct current part of 0.75 ampere in the variable current. So current is different for different time, but one part is fixed. That is direct current part, and it is 0.75 ampere. That is constant term is 0.75 ampere that we want to show. And obtain amplitude or magnitude of first harmonic. Also obtain current for T equal to 3/4 T. 3/4 T. Solution. Right? Period. Can anyone tell me what is the period? What is period for this example? Very good. Absolutely, capital T. Okay. That is to be compared with what? 2L, na? Understood what the L is? T/2. Okay. Then done. Number of divisions. How many divisions?
6.
Very good. Leave the last value corresponding to T equal to 1.98. And now count. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. Hope everyone is getting this. Okay. Correct value of M is very important, and usually whatever examples we are solving here, for all those examples, M is even number. Remember. Okay. Now read Fourier series. Acha. Here we should consider half range sine expansion or half range cosine expansion. कौन सा कंसिडर करना है हमें, या फुल रेंज करना है? Yes, anyone? अरे इसमें, अरे नहीं ना, देखो समझो बात को समझो. Obtain amplitude of first harmonic. इसका मतलब क्या है? क्या फॉर्मूला है? What is formula of first amplitude of first harmonic? Root of a1 square plus b1 square, है ना? So it involves a1 as well as b1, na? If I take sine expansion, only b is there. If I take cosine expansion, only ai's are there. But we want both of them. Getting everyone? Once harmonic word is used, na, find expansion up to first harmonic, find amplitude of first harmonic. लिखो बाजू में कहीं पे. Then example is of the full range expansion. लिख दो साइड में. When it is asked to find, yes, please write it. When it is asked to find expansion up to first harmonic or third harmonic, whatever the harmonic. or magnitude of the first harmonic, it is full range expansion. Now the period may be 2 pi or maybe 2L, depending upon how the example is given. Okay, but it is clear that it is full range expansion. So now I think everyone might have understood that this is full range expansion. Okay, so done. Fourier series expansion is L equal to substitute. Substitute L equal to T by 2. Up to first harmonic, na? Understood. Next. Can I change the page?
Yes.
1 minute, sir.
हाँ लिखो जल्दी. Mute yourself. Two pi xi divided by capital T, huh? Okay, table. चलो x को लिखते हैं, राइट द x 0 t by 6 t by 3 t by 2 last t is not to be considered. Acha, see, we are finding zi. Next step we'll understand why it is required. Substitute x equal to 0. So 0, x equal to t by 6. T will cancel. So 2 pi divided by 6. So pi by 3. And what is pi by 3? 60 degree. Substitute x equal to t by 3. T will cancel. 2 pi by 3. Next, substitute x equal to t by 2. T will cancel. 2 pi divided by 2. Pi. Pi is 180 degree. Then 2t by 3. So 4 pi by 3. Then 5t by 6. 5t. Right? We have to consider 6 values only. M equal to 6 therefore. So repeated value is not to be considered. Okay. Write the corresponding values of y. 1.98. 1.30. 1.05. 1.30. Acha, I am writing different values, I think. Right now? Or correct values? Check it. Check the values of.
Correct.
Correct, huh? Okay. Then, see the A1. We want yi cos of 2 pi xi divided by t. Right now, that is, I'll write it here, yi cos of zi, isn't it? 2 pi xi divided by t is z, na? Written here. Okay, that is y 1.98 into cos of 0. Okay, then 1.30 into cos of 60 degree. Hope you are getting it. Then 1.05 into cos of 120. Then 1.3 into cos of 180. Don't have to write all these values. You write the final answer, no problem. If you understood and if you want to write the final answer, that is also okay. Minus 0.88 into cos of 240. Minus 0.25 into cos of 300. In the same way, last is yi sine of 2 pi xi divided by t. That is, in this case, yi sine of zi. So you might have understood why we used zi, so that the calculations are simplified.
सर
हाँ
YI के कॉलम में फोर्थ नंबर है वो 1.90 है.
नहीं, आप चेक करो. मेरे पास तो 1.05 है.
यस सर 1.30 है.
1.30. हाँ, आपने गलती से लिखा होगा, एक बार आप उसको चेंज करो.
1.9 लिखा था ना.
नहीं, अभी क्या है, वो पहले वाला पेज में देख नहीं सकता यहाँ से. हाँ, तो आप रिक्वायर्ड चेंज करो. 1.30 है वो. ठीक है. Example is in front of me. Okay, not on the screen. Okay, in notes it is 1.3. Might be by mistake, I might have written it as 1.90. Please make the required change in the question. So one thing is said about the mathematician, Indian mathematicians. If you are not able to solve the problem, change the problem. Okay. So it is not like that here. Whether it is 1.3 or 1.9, we'll able to solve it. Acha, you find these three summations. Summation of yi, summation of yi cos xi, whatever those values are, and the last summation. Find the three summations first.
Sir, he is telling about t by 2 in xi. There is 1.03.
Correct.
So you have written 1.30.
1.30. Okay. T equal to 2. 1.03 we have written. See what is written in the question. You make the required change.
Yes, sir.
What is it? 1.03.
03.
So this one is 03. Right? No? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Make the required change. So here also 1.03. Okay. Find the values. Find all the summations. Then I think you will not get 0.75 since in question it is 1.30. By mistake I might have written 1.03. Okay. No problem.
नहीं सर, हमने 030 ही लिखा है.
30
हाँ सर 30 ही लिखा है. 30 ही लिखा है सर.
सर अब 03
उन्होंने
एक
सर उसका समय 3 है.
नहीं 1.30 ही है. मैं अभी आई हैव सीन इट इन द क्वेश्चन.
30 है सर 30.
हाँ 30 ही है. प्लीज मेक द रिक्वायर्ड चेंज. काफी बार चेंज होते हैं. अच्छा ठीक है, चलो समेशंस बताओ. Who got the summations?
4.5.
Summation of yi 4.5, no doubt. Next. Summation of yi cos zi. Yes, who is getting the summation?
One point one two.
1.12. Okay, next. Three point
3.98.
See whether it is like this. 3.015. I have answer like this. Your answer, if it is different, write as it is, no problem. There is no any problem. Okay. Now write down a naught equal to 1/3 summation of yi. (1.5). A1 equal to 1/3 summation of yi. T. (1.12). Sign off.
1.005.
Absolutely. Right on the next page. Please complete this fast. So right, f of x equal to cos of substitute the known values. This is the answer. Direct current part. Amplitude of first harmonic. Please do that yourself. Next, right?
107.
Okay. When right, t equal to 3/4 capital T. That is actually x here. Substitute. So f of x equal to 0.75 plus 373 cos of, substitute x equal to 3/4 t. T will cancel. So 3 into 2, 6 pi divided by 4. Same for the next also. Use calcium, find this answer. Anyone getting the answer? Attendance, division A, roll number 1. Please unmute yourself and give me the attendance. 2, A division only. 2.
Present, sir.
3.
Present, sir.
4.
Present, sir.
5.
Present, sir.
6. Roll number 6. 6 absent. 7.
Present, sir.
8.
Present, sir.
9.
Present, sir.
10.
Present, sir.
11.
Present, sir.
12.
Present, sir.
13. 13.